If your For You page looks anything like mine, you've been seeing these everywhere. I've had my eye on some of these for a while, and I was ready to drop like a couple hundred on a couple, and then I saw these at H&M and I was like, I could totally do this myself. So that is really what inspired me. I was like, this is a very simple thing. I should not be so ready to just drop money without trying to do it myself first. And yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't done anything too crafty in a while, and I think I might have to break my no sewing rule because I can't see a way of me doing this without having to sew a little bit. So this is what they look like before. Now I picked up these at H&M. They were about $18, I think. They are cool, but they're not exactly what I was going for. I was going for a more fitted, traditional balaclava look. This is more of like a hoodie, but we're gonna be transforming those into something more like these. Okay, so I'm gonna sew down this line right here. So I've sewed down these seams right here, and when I turn it inside out, should be, oh, it looks so good. Wow, that looks like semi-professional, like it was there to begin with. Oh wow, the back looks even better as well. So I'll have to taper it out and then cut it in order to get rid of these like little pockets here. But for now, since this is just like a rough cut, I'm going to try it on, see if I like it, and then if I like it, we'll cut it. I'm going to continue sewing these two lines together all the way up to the top. So I'm just going to follow it all the way up. Excuse me, sir. Somewhere else, please. Thank you. So this is what I finished doing. So I finished sewing up all the way down, and then I just connected it off to the side. So I made like a little L shape, and I did the same thing for here because I'm gonna be cutting these out. We no longer need this piece or this piece. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm so scared to cut these out, even though I know it's gonna be okay. And I just left a little bit extra because I didn't want to get too close to the seam. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. The shape is just interesting. Now for the white one, I'm going to be going with a more grandma style. I'm thinking old, romantic, frilly, a little bit posh. I want this to be like if Blair Waldorf wore a balaclava, what would it look like? The black one, I'm doing more of a luxurious baddie kind of show-stopping look. Winter is here and I'm ready to wear them. I just love the idea of covering up my hair and having like my makeup and my face be the focal point of my outfit. If you're gonna try and do this at home, I would definitely recommend getting the hoodies, getting it down to the size you want, and then maybe rifling through old jewelry or maybe old clothing, or maybe even like hair beads to try and use any leftover pieces that you have.